Cake is soft. We'll look closely, feel how soft it is, and taste. Welcome to exploring food with our senses. Don't forget a mess zone, towel, allergy-free food, and the pause button. First, we'll use our eyes to explore. This is a cake. It's a cupcake. It's just the right size to fit in my hand. It's medium-sized. How big is your cake? From the top, my cake is round. What shape is your cake? My frosting is pink. What other colors can you see? Do you see red? How many colors are there? Let's look at the parts of my cake. It has a cherry topper, colorful sprinkles, pink frosting, and cake. Take a moment to look closely at your cake. What do you see? Now, let's use our hands. Let's start at the top of the cake. Poke the frosting with your finger. It's sticky. My cake also has small sprinkles. They feel hard. Do you have sprinkles on your cake? How do they feel? Now let's cut the cake in half. Poke the center of the cake. The cake is soft. Can you feel how soft it is? Take a moment to feel the different parts of your cake. What do you notice? Now let's use our ears. Use a spoon or your finger to tap on your cupcake. It makes a quiet, muted sound. My cake is in a wrapper. It sounds like paper. What about the sprinkles? Let's get several sprinkles and drop them. It sounds like the pitter-patter of rain. Take a moment to listen and explore the sounds you can make with your cake. Now, let's use our noses. Bring your cake close and take a big sniff. My cake smells sweet with a soft vanilla scent. What does yours smell like? Does it smell yummy? Try a small sniff. Is the smell strong or soft? Smell the frosting. Does it smell the same as the cake? Take a moment to smell your cake and notice its scent. Lastly, let's use our mouths. Cake can be eaten by the slice, bite by bite. The frosting can be tasted by itself, or cake can be enjoyed through a mesh feeder. Let's explore further and spin the sensory wheel. It landed on creamy. What part of the cake is creamy? If you're not eating cake today, you can touch the different parts of the cake to guess. Do you think it's the cake or the frosting? That's right, the frosting is creamy. Now it landed on soft. What part of the cake is soft? If you're not eating today, you can press the cake gently instead. Do you think the sprinkles are soft? Of course not the sprinkles. It's the spongy middle that's soft. Sweet! What part of your cake smells or tastes sweet to you? For me, the whole cake is sweet, but some parts might taste extra sweet, like the frosting or the sprinkles. Take a moment to notice the flavor of your cake. What else can you discover about cake? Thanks for joining me in exploring Cake is Soft. Get ready for next time when we discover that donuts are sweet. Until then, may you learn and thrive. With love from Carethriving Kids.